Alright, your next contest is a...
Hey, Squishy Ball, why are you over here? Hey, no. You look like a grandma, but you look like a daddy. That's right, because I'm so microwave and I'm really kind of hot in there. But I am microwave because I can cook something. Oh, microwave, I'm going to do something. Squishy Bolly, I'm going to do. I'm not Squishy Bolly. Bolly is a ball. What? What do you say anything about that? I'm going to say about 30 times. Yeah. How do you know that? Because it's my operation. Operation? I can't understand. Maybe I'll do a challenge with Sophia M. Okay then, let's get started. Okay, microwave. Okay, the first challenge is to jump fastest. If you jump slowest, you will be elimination. Go! Squishy ball safe. Stony is safe. So it's QB's out. So let her and the TLC of the tiny loser chamber. What? No, that wasn't the same I could choose. No, please don't send me back. Please don't send me back. Okay, the next challenge is to just only and a combination. Take that board of the take that table, put it onto the plate. When other people take your table, you will be in elimination. Go! Oh, that table is really good. Pam! Sorry, Squishy Ball, but you're eliminated. No, please don't eliminate me! Sorry, but thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.